GoTo Resolve for IT administrators. Tips and Tricks is one of the more popular tools out there, but does it really live up to the hype? In this video, I'm going to dive deep into the software, share some tips and tricks, and give you a look at whether it's really the best fit for your IT management needs, or if there are better options out there. Let's get straight to it. First things first, GoTo Resolve offers a robust remote support system that IT administrators rely on to quickly troubleshoot and resolve issues. It's simple to set up and gives you access to a suite of useful tools. But is it perfect? Not by a long shot. While its interface is intuitive, navigating the remote support features can get clunky as your team grows. The tool might be quick out of the box, but scaling up with multiple users or devices can sometimes make things a bit slower than you'd expect. Next thing, screen sharing. GoTo Resolve provides a straightforward screen sharing feature that's a staple in IT admin tools. It works well, but let's be honest, screen sharing isn't exactly new. Most of its competitors, like TeamViewer and AnyDesk, offer a similar or better experience. TeamViewer, for instance, has a few more features aimed at larger teams. But GoTo Resolve does the job for small to mid-sized teams without a ton of extra fluff. The third thing worth noting is security. GoTo Resolve claims robust encryption and multi-factor authentication, which is crucial for any IT administrator. But when you stack it against industry leaders like ConnectWise Control, GoTo Resolve security features seem a little behind. It gets the job done, but if you're managing sensitive systems, you might want to think twice about relying solely on GoTo Resolve. The fourth thing that stands out in GoTo Resolve is its integrations. The software has integrations with popular apps like ServiceNow and Jira, making it fairly easy to sync with your existing systems. However, it doesn't have the same depth of integrations as a competitor like Zoho Assist, which provides more ways to connect with third-party apps. If you're running a complex IT environment, you might find GoTo Resolve's integration options limiting in the long run. Now, here's the real kicker, its pricing. GoTo Resolve positions itself as a budget-friendly tool, and on the surface, it might look like a great deal. But when you look deeper, the lack of some advanced features could make you wonder if it's worth the price tag in the long term. For example, GoTo Resolve's reporting features are quite basic compared to something like ConnectWise, which offers more granular insights into your IT operations. And now, to wrap things up, GoTo Resolve for IT administrators does offer solid value in certain areas, but it's not without its flaws. If you're running a small IT operation or just starting, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you're looking for a tool with more advanced features, better scalability, and stronger security, you might want to look into other options. Speaking of which, through the link in the description, we're offering an exclusive extended free trial to GoTo Resolve so you can test it out for yourself. But don't stop there. I've also added a few alternatives that are better suited for the specific needs of IT administrators managing larger teams or more complex systems. These tools come with their own free trials and could be the right fit for you. Click the link and you'll get access to the best free trial with benefits exclusive to our viewers. Make sure to check out these alternatives as well and see which one fits your IT management needs the best.